It is Tuesday, the 30th of January 2024, and the time is 11:09. Yeah, we'll see what today brings. And it's not 11:09, it's 11:01, just to be precise. A yellow train. Well, it's a nice fresh morning. It's not too bad. Bit chilly in the horns, but not too bad at all. So the bird I filmed yesterday is a pheasant, not, as I thought, a grouse. Shows what I know. But it's definitely a pheasant. So there we go. Let's clear that up. It's not too bad a morning. It's alrighty. Yes. Nice and fresh. Hey. Nice. Singing me a song. The sun's trying to come out. Lovely. Let's see what happens today. It's looking lovely. Lovely Tuesday. Well, it's all quiet this wee bit. We shall venture forward. Right, it's quiet here as well. Oh, we'll continue on down to the robin tree. See what's happening there. I think maybe this is quiet time. Maybe late afternoon like yesterday it was alright. Very early in the morning. Catch them all waking up. That's an idea. That might be happening tomorrow. Aye. Well, I've put some food down, but it's very quiet. Yeah, it's quiet. We'll get the food in there ready, but let's wander back up. My escort. That's a nice noise. Yeah, it's very quiet in squirrel land. I'll leave him to rummage about for his food. Well, I've scattered some food about, so squirrels will get that at some point. Well, I used to be quiet day to day. Oh well, it happens. Still nice and fresh to be out walking. Good day. Sunshine! Right, back in the nature trail. Get a bench, get a wee seat and a wee smoke. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Like that.
Hyper.
Come on.
Go on then.
Let's go.
Happy dogs. Right, we'll walk on a wee bit. Very quiet. We'll see what happens. Try to keep quiet there, see if anything appeared, but people appear, making a lot of noise. Keep the noise down. Get a wee bit touch cooler as well. Not cold yet, but it's just getting a bit cooler. Still not bad. Well, at least we got some sunshine, which is always nice. Aye. Nice day for a wander. I see there was a guy arrested in Kirlook the other day there. He was going about stealing gates. He'd hundreds of gates out his backyard. And the police asked him, why are you stealing all the gates? He says, well, I didn't want to take offence. Oh, that's bad, isn't it? Well, the time is just coming up for 5 to 1. That's not bad, nearly 2 hours. Hunger time. Wee bit of roasted cheese a day for a wee change. Not roasted cheese for ages. Aye, hunger. Aye, not a bad day at all. Well, you take care, stay safe, cherish your loved ones. That'll be me. Ow! Ta. Is that a poodle?
A golden doodle.
A golden. Hello. Hello. Is it?
Sure. He's smiling for the camera.
That's a cracker. Cheers.